Good morning friends. In the last lecture we have discussed about the AC waveform, generation of AC waveform. Now in this lecture we will discuss some important terms related to this AC waveform. So the first term, that is the waveform. So what is mean by a waveform? Waveform is defined as it is the graphical or pictorial representation of an alternating quantity. So it is a graphical or pictorial. So this is a graphical representation. See here, the graph of values of induced EMF is plotted against the time. So this is the graphical representation or pictorial representation of an alternating quantity. Which alternating quantity here? EMF is the alternating quantity here. So what is meant by waveform? Waveform is nothing but the graphical representation or pictorial representation of an alternating quantity is known as the waveform. The waveform can be defined as the set of all instantaneous value, that is the E1 of t, that is E2 of t, E3 of t, that is EM of t, the set of all instantaneous values, the graph. These are the instantaneous value. So another way we can define the waveform as a graph of instantaneous value. Graph of this instantaneous value is plotted against time t. So these are the graph, these are the instantaneous values. The instantaneous values graph plotted against the time is the waveform. Or another way we can define as the waveform is the graphical representation or the pictorial representation of an alternating quantity is the waveform. Okay. The second we have to see the instantaneous value. So the instantaneous value of an alternating quantity, that is E1 of t. Here E1 of t is the instantaneous value. Instantaneous value of an alternating quantity is defined as the value of AC quantity, at a particular instant of time. Is known as the instantaneous value. E1 of t is the instantaneous value. So the instantaneous value can be defined as the value of an AC quantity at a particular instant of time. E1 of t is the value of alternating quantity at a particular instant of t1. So the instantaneous value. The next is the cycle. Next important term is the cycle. What is meant by cycle? Cycle is defined as this is the positive half cycle and this is a negative half cycle. Okay, this is the positive half cycle and negative half cycle. In a waveform or in an alternating quantity, that is the positive half cycle and negative half cycle consist of a cycle. Means at a particular interval of time, some portion of an alternating quantity, that is positive and negative portion, is successively repeated after a certain interval of time. Okay, म्हणजे एका पर्टिक्युलर इंटरवल नंतर हा पार्ट परत रिपीट होणे त्याला म्हणायचं सायकल. So cycle is defined as positive and negative portion of that cycle is successively goes on a repetition after the certain interval of the time, that is called as the cycle. The next we will see the time period. Time period. Okay, so what is meant by time period? Time period is nothing but the time required to complete one cycle. Time required to complete one cycle. This is the one positive half cycle and this is the one positive negative half cycle. Okay, this positive half cycle and negative half cycle, this goes on successive repetition after this time period t. So this time period is defined as the time required to complete one cycle. Means how many time is required to this complete one cycle, that is the time period, and it is measured in the seconds. It is measured in the seconds. Okay. So the next we have see about the frequency. About the frequency. What is meant by frequency? Frequency is defined as the number of cycle completed per second. The number of cycle completed per second. Here one cycle is completed in how many seconds? Okay, number of cycle completed per second. Okay, here one cycle completed in the 1 seconds. Okay, so the frequency is defined as the number of cycle completed per second. Okay, number of cycle completed per second. So here one cycle, here the one cycle completed in t seconds. Okay, completed in the t second. So it is defined as number of cycle completed per second, and it is measured in the hertz. It is measured in the hertz. Unit of frequency is the hertz. Okay, so we have discussed here waveform, instantaneous value, cycle, time period, and the frequency. So next we will discuss that is about the amplitude. Amplitude. So what is meant by amplitude? Amplitude is nothing but the maximum value of an alternating quantity is known as the amplitude. Maximum value or peak value. Maximum value or the peak value of an alternating quantity is known as the amplitude. So the important terms related to the waveform we have seen. What are that important terms? Waveform, instantaneous values, cycle, time period, frequency, and amplitude. These definitions are very, very important. These definitions are frequently asked in the examinations for the 4 definition for 4 marks or the 2 marks definitions. Okay, thank you.